Hello and welcome to another quick update about Solana. Currently trading at 212 US dollars here. And I just want to show you this amazing trend line actually that we've been following here. You can see this ascending trend line here. We've had various touch points here, touch point here, and we've come back again to the trend line. This has happened so often across various cryptocurrencies in this bull market. We've come back to trend lines. That's usually what we do. We're overextending away from them, then we come back. Good buying opportunities down here. Told you when we came back to trend lines, I use them generally as buying opportunities. Then we moved up again, and now we are currently retracing again, still in this yellow target range here. But we were already on our way out of it at around $240 at the previous high here. At 245, we struggled. We fell back into the target range today when Bitcoin dropped, but since then we've recovered already, and I think we are still on our way here up into this wave 5 territory. So just a reminder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's where we've come from, making a larger wave 3, pretty much the longest wave in this move. We've come down in a wave 4. I think this wave could be completed now. If we come below 178 US dollars, that would trigger a more bearish scenario, but at the moment we are sort of still following this bullish scenario. The thing is, if we break here below the $178, I think we will come straight away into this target level here between 120 and 150 US dollars. But if we go up first before we then come down, then that is then when we will come into the target area then. Overall, I think, as long as we hold above $178, nothing should stop us from getting into that area between around 310 to 345 US dollars. That is what I would expect. And from here then we will come down, in my view, in a new wave 2 retracement, because this wave 5 is also a larger scale wave 1, from which then we will form a wave 2 and a wave 3 to the upside. These are the main cycles here for Solana. At the moment, on the shorter term time scale, you can see that we have come down, currently finding support here probably at the 50-day moving average, sitting at $210. If we lose that, I think we could come down to this support level of this descending broadening wedge that we had, this trend line. That's pretty much at $200. So yeah, you've got this psychological mark of $200, and from there on, depending on what Bitcoin does, to be honest, we did come down here to nearly 200 already, but we've come back above the 50-day moving average. It's not only the 50-day moving average, this is also the 0.382 fib level at $208. So that is pretty much providing support here, important support. And if we don't drop below that fib level, it's a good sign. We are still not dropping too much then. Yes, we lost here the 0.214 fib level at 230, but we are still above 208. And from here then, if Bitcoin now recovers maybe over the weekend, we can then continue our way up. This is primarily what I expect, that we reach this level. And I gave you now key support and target levels. And also if you see us dropping below, as I said, 178, that would pretty much work together here with a drop below that trend line as well. But you would drop below the trend line first and then drop below that fib level here at the 0.618 fib level. Then you get quite bearish. Well, it would still probably be a long-term move up anyway for Solana. I think this project is really good, a lot of potential, but we would then first of all correct and see much lower prices. Overall here on the daily RSI and MACD, let's take a look what these are giving us. We can see that we are not overbought at all. We're sort of hovering around the 50 level here. A little bit of an indecision going on here. Currently finding support at the 50 line of the RSI. So in terms of getting higher here into that target range up there, that yellow one, I think we have enough scope on the RSI to really move up here, which is good. We are in the middle. We have a lot of scope to go up before we get into the overbought range. And a good sign is that we have just had a bullish cross on the daily MACD. You can see that we've just come into the green area. So let's hope we are going to hold that and we're not dropping further with the price. But there's actually a good buying signal. Whenever that happened, we had really good price increases associated with that. that's my view on Solana. Generally bullish. Hope you liked that update video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.